भारतान T20 ब्लाइंड तिरंगी क्रिकेट सर्तीचे शेनवारा वस्ताद पण जोडले। परवरे जीसीए ग्राउंडार जाल्ले फायनलीत भारतान श्रीलंकेक 10 विकेटींनी धाडायले। पहिली बॅटिंग करताना भारतान श्रीलंकेक 119 रन्साचेर आडायले। उपरांत जैताची मोख 8 ओव्हरी दवरून पुराय केली। राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हाच्या हस्तुकी इनामे वाटप सुवाळो जालो। गोयचो पहिलो आंतरराष्ट्रीय ग्रँड मास्टर बुद्धिबळ टूर्नामेंट शेनवारा बांबोळच्या श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमाचेर सुरू जालो। रशिया, युक्रेन, बेल्जियम, आर्मेनिया आनी यूएतल्यान तशेंच भारताच्या ग्रँड मास्टराचे हजेरीत ही सर्त 8 दीस चलतली। गोयचे ग्रँड मास्टर अनुराग महामल तशेंच वुमन ग्रँड मास्टर भक्ती कुलकर्णी राज्यात चेस एन्थुजियास्टा खातीर खासा आकर्षण थारतले हातून दुबाव ना।
Our dream was there to make this Grandmaster tournament. It was a dream. We thought it was never impossible. But we could make it true only because of our dynamic president, Bob Nilesh Cabral. The day he joined, he announced to the press his vision to make a Grandmaster tournament in Goa.
And I would like also my players who have come all over the world, the grandmasters, the women grandmasters, the chess players from all categories, that if anything is a little wrong here and there, since it is the first time, please excuse us and bear with us in the sporting spirit. That is what I will all request you. And give us the same support, maybe when we have it the next year, so that we can come and do it in a different way and get all the kicking problems to a rest. It's an event which we all cherished all these years, and you have all made it successful for us. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being here to grace this occasion. And if there is anything wrong, please, in the sporting spirit, let us all see that the sport grows in a bigger way, and maybe next year we'll fill in all the teething problems again.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।